I was something more or less 125 kilo. And one of my friends came to me and he offered me a simple envelope like this, and he said to me, Jack, try this one, or buy one pack of this one, and I'm sure you will get your katawan or my body more slim. I said, nah, I heard of these stories too much. I heard about many food supplements, take this medicine, take this medicine. Every time I get medicine, I go to CR, I empty everything inside my stomach, and the end of the story of what? I go more bigger. But since I got this crypto, in matter of 6 weeks, I find myself going down from 125 kilo to 95 kilo after I begin using cleanse for 1 week. That makes me a big difference. You don't believe me? Try. Then you will know if it's true or not.
We have a dead on arrival patient, Mary Gopor, 70 years old, who is suffering from severe asthma. Along the way, she died. But we did our best when she arrived in the hospital. We revived her, but unluckily she was in coma. And then one of the doctor challenged me because he had heard that Cryptomonadales there was a patient in Cagayan that recovered from a comatose state 3 days after taking Cryptomonadales. So I pounded 5 tubs of Crypto, placed it in a 30 ml of milk, 1 ml at a time until it reaches 1 hour na consume ko yung 30 ml. And there I see that the patient that was in coma, naka-recover siya, nag-roll ang mata, she started moving. So nagsitakbuhan yung anak, sabi niya, "Ma'am, can we add another dose? Baka magising talaga si mama and maka-recover siya." So they did it, and then another 1 hour had passed. The patient really shouted, "Agawid tayo." Ibig sabihin pala ng agawid tayo, mag-uwi na tayo. So that 6 o'clock in the evening, umuwi talaga yung pasyente namin. I myself also, mayroon akong cyst dito due for operation. Dito sa side din na ito. In 3 weeks time, nagulat na lang ako na ang cyst ko due for operation, wala na. Ang aking stored fat, nung nga wala na, bumabata ako. 10 kilos ang nawala sa akin.
Ako po yung may asawang